Hey, we're going to show you guys how to transfer someone from the bed to the wheelchair. And this is a transfer for someone who doesn't have any movement on one side of the body. So for David, he's had a stroke and his whole right side has been affected. So he doesn't have much assistance on that side. So I'm going to help him and show you guys how to help somebody transfer safely from the bed to the wheelchair. So the first thing we do is lock the wheelchair. And then we're going to lower the bed rail. And then we're going to get the bed flat. So from here, I'm going to have David use his unaffected leg to hook his affected leg and bring that leg over the side of the bed. Okay, keep coming. And if we get stuck, we can just give him a little help. I'm going to grab my hand, and I'm going to have him grab my hand with the other hand. And we're just going to roll over to the side here. We'll push up. Just going to get his hips forward, pull that wheelchair back. And he's going to grab a hold of that wheelchair for balance. Okay. Try to keep these feet on the ground if you can. Give you a little more support. We're going to put the hand out to the side and see if you can't get your balance first. Once you get the balance, you can put the gait belt on.
Okay.
Make sure it's nice and tight. I'm going to pull this side, this leg forward a little bit more. It's going to make some room, and this will help us in the transfer. So once you have your person in the position at the edge of the bed with the belt on, the chair is locked, the bed is locked, you're going to grab the belt. You're going to support the affected arm with your arm as you grab the belt. And in one movement, we're going to go from this chair or the bed to the chair. Okay. So you're going to reach for this side. Yep. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. If you found this video helpful, the best free thing you can do is give me a like or comment on the video. And if you're looking for more information on stroke recovery or guided exercise videos, be sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.